and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hi kids! Starting with cauliflower. Draw a cloud-like shape and the stem. Super easy. And now color with green. Nice and neat. Fill it in. Vegetables are super healthy. A light green for the stem. Add some details with a lighter shade of green. Here is our yummy cauliflower. Delicious and healthy. Let's draw a carrot, a cloud shape, and a cone shape. How easy was that? Color in with orange. And green for the leafy stem. Don't forget the details. That looks amazing. Rabbits love to eat carrots. A yummy carrot. Let's draw some corn, an oval shape and the husk below. And now color it green. It's super easy. Yellow for the seeds. And a lighter yellow. Draw lines like this to show all the seeds. Some more detailing. Yay! Yummy corn! Draw a curvy line like this, leaves and a stem on the top. Can you guess what fruit this is? A tomato! Color with green. And with red. Some more detailing, just like that. It looks so juicy and delicious. Tomato! Time to draw some peas. A curvy long line joined at both ends, little circles for the peas. Let's color it in with some light green. A different shade of light green for the peas. A little bit of dark green to color in the empty space. Details are important, don't forget them. Looks great! Delicious peas! I love pea soup. Don't you? Hope you had a fun time drawing and coloring, and of course, learning about all the vegetables that are healthy. Hello kids! Look, some yummy fries! Come, let's start drawing. Start with a line and a U and another line. Now let's complete the box. Let's draw the eyes and a cute little smile. Now for the yummy French fries. It's that simple. Just keep adding long rectangles. Let's add an outline. Nice and neat. Ta-da! Begin coloring with red. Stay within the lines. And now for the fries, a bright yellow. They look so crispy. It's already looking so great and yummy. Isn't your mouth watering too? And now lastly, color in the remaining fries with orange. Yum! Our French fries are done! Hope you enjoyed them. Are you ready to draw? Let's begin. For the broccoli, draw a curved line, one at the bottom too. Draw the head with V shapes and connect them with a curved line to the bottom. Draw the eyes and the pupil and color them in. He looks great. Draw eyebrows and a wide grin for our happy little broccoli. Now connect the V shapes with little curved lines and draw a cloud-like shape for his head. Yes, just like that. Now come the yummy peas. Start with a small circle, eyes and a happy grin. Our cute pea is jumping with joy. Now draw the pod with a curvy line on one side and a wavy line on the other. And in the same way, draw the other peas as well. Wasn't that easy? Let's make our masterpiece better with a nice and neat outline. Yes, just keep going. Now comes the best part. Let's color in. Begin coloring the broccoli with a dark green color. Coloring is my favorite. Mr. Broccoli already looks great. For the stalk, let's use a light green shade. Here we go. Broccoli is very healthy and so tasty too. Don't you agree? Add some blue to his eyes. And orange for the mouth. Great! For the peas, use a light green color and begin coloring. Aren't they the cutest little peas? And lastly, let's color the pod with a dark green color. Woohoo! We're done! And here they are, kids, the yummiest broccoli and the happiest peas. Hi kids, are you ready to draw the yummiest ice cream ever? Let's begin. Draw a little drop-like shape. And now, just keep adding oval shapes. Connect a rectangle. And here we have the cone. Time to give our ice cream a face. The eyes. And a cute little smile. Let's finish with a neat outline. Yes, just like that. Yippee! It's time to color in. Yellow. Then some green. A lovely pink. And my favorite, purple. Orange for the cone. And we're done! Here is the yummiest ice cream ever. Bye kids! Hope you had fun!